In this video, we walk through how to access Canadian circulation of U.S. magazines in the Media Intelligence Center. To begin, search for your chosen U.S. magazines via the search box, or refine the list of publications using the left-hand filters. Once your selected publications appear on the screen, click on the box next to each publication or select all titles by checking the box next to publication name. Click on the Analyze Data button to begin your analysis. Select the Periodical Analyzer tab and navigate down to the Canadian Circulation of U.S. Magazine section. There are 3 reports to choose from: Total Canadian Circulation of Analyzed Issue, Single Issue Geographic Total Paid and Verified Canadian Circulation by Province, and Single Issue Geographic Total Analyzed Non-Paid Canadian Circulation by Province. Click on your chosen report and then check off the data elements you would like included in your final report. Then click Submit. And here's your report. Remember, there are several filtering and sorting options available directly in your report, but to take full control of the data elements, select Export at the top of the screen and download the file in Excel. For questions or for more information discussed in this video, please contact AAM's Jenny Anderson at 224-366-6425 or jenny.anderson@auditedmedia.com.